Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Uba Kyrmen Shylla ubadai Menteri Jongko Sarkar Jilla ula Kyrpad ya ke Sangeh artiar Hnlc National Liberation Council bakadai ban Sangeh no ya ke Pyntriem ban wan syakhamat na kabenta ka jing ya keren yesup kani ka jing Kyrpad jong uba Kyrmen Shylla ubadai ru MLA jong ka Cleariat constituency kalong hadin bakani ka Sangeh artiar dang hakini ki khandiat sngi kalakam bakadai ka badan ketiban penpthai yo ubam IED ha ka Police Reserve ka badan ha Cleariat East Gentia Hills District. Habaya keren bat ka Batesi TV uba Kyrmen Shylla ulaong. Balada ka Hnlc ka donyo ka nuguno ka jing kadai ban wan syakmat ban yakren bat ka Sarkar bat ban kierno nakabale yaki Pyntriem.
They should come forward and then surrender themselves in front of the government, and then why do they have to take this kind of action where they our public especially is suffering by this kind of incident. If it happened, bomb blast and all, at the end all of us will be suffering. So why do they have to do this? That is my question. So it'll be nice if once and for all we can solve this problem, and if they come, and then this is not needed to do it. So we don't need the Hnlc don't need to do this kind of. If they have any issues with the government, tell us. We are here to listen, to do, to take suggestion and all. There's nothing. It's not necessary to be a terrorist to solve the problem of the people. But at the end, we have seen that time to time that our people are suffering. So it's really very bad. If the government did wrong things, also if the public suffered, that is not right. And the same thing, if the terrorists did something wrong, in the name of that Pyntriem, at the end our Pyntriem are suffering, that is not right actually. So we are here, the law is here to do the right thing and to give justice for our people. So let's go with the law, so where our people will live happily in this state. I don't know exactly how do they go with it, but I believe that our Chief Minister will take that steps, and even our honorable ministers, they will take the steps regarding with this. It's not, violence cannot be a solution for anything. So but a peace talk, that is a solution. And then how do we go with it? So negotiation can be there, but how do we go with it? So the best thing is that come for talk, and then let's see how do we do. Because if we bring violence, then our people will be in danger, and at the same time they will not live happily. So it's quite, it hurts to see our public suffer.